Good morning, guys. Today we are going to break down this chart on gold. Today is June 25th, and this is what I'm seeing. So, first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn on this indicator, lower low and lower high live. So, as we can see, the market is in a downtrend because it is creating lower lows and lower high. And remember, after a lower low is created, it's supposed to come back up to create a lower high in order to create a next lower low, right? So our last lower low is right here, over here, really and truly. Let me close off this indicator. So this is our last lower low right here. Lower low. And then this was our lower high right here. Lower high. I'm gonna put that in green. And that was our last lower low. So now price creates another lower low, a lower low, and this is on the daily time frame. So what we want to see is the price to come up, reverse, come up to create another lower high in order to create another lower low. All right. So if price breaks this level right here, let me use this one up here. We are no longer in a bearish trend. We would now be in a bullish trend. All right. So if price break that level or this one, we would no longer be bearish, we will be bullish. We will no longer be selling, we will be buying. So I'm going to go down to my 4-hour time frame. As you can see, when price touches those levels, we have sellers and buyers contemplating what they want to do. So as you can see here, buyers push up, sellers push it down, buyers push up the market, sellers push it down until sellers get into control and push down the market. So there were more sellers here than buyers. And if you look over here, that's the same thing that happened there also. So if we put this over more, you realize that every time price touches this level, sellers push it down. So right, once price break this level, let me write that. Once price breaks this level, because this is the strongest level, once price breaks this level, we are no longer bearish. We are now bullish. Alright, so we're just going to keep that there for now. Say once price push above this level and start creating something like this, it come back, it break here, then it push up, push down, we're going to enter for buys. But as long as price is below this level, we are just looking for sells for now. Alright, so price breaks the lower low on the higher time frame, which is the daily. Remember, look at this, guys. When price breaks right here, right, when price breaks this level, you realize how the sellers just push down the market heavy, like heavy sellers in the market. So each time price breaks a lower low, when we're in a downtrend, there is a lot of push. So it breaks right here too, lot of push, because these are strong levels. All right, so for today I am looking for sells, right? I can take a short buy if I wishes, but for now I am looking for sells. And the reason why I am looking for sells is because we break a lower low. So we made an indication right here. Let me put that in green. And this now is creating the correction, and I'm gonna put this in red. So I want to see price come back, push up, tap back into this zone up here, and then push down, and then I'll target from here to down here, stop loss about there. So that's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. But I gotta see what price is doing before entering the market. But I gotta just enter the market blindly, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna just do these trades breakdown without myself showing, because each time I video it on my phone and then for edit it and put it on this, is like it'll take up too much time. I mean, have them the time, honestly. So for today trade breakdown, we'll wait for price stop into the level there, right, before we enter. So market open. Let me turn on sessions, and we're going to lock off. We're going to lock off Asia session and London session. Just keep on New York session. So market open, but I'm waiting on 9:30 to actually before entering the trade. All right, so we'll soon come back. Now it's 8:46. So about 9 o'clock or 9:15, I'll come back on the chart to see what the price is doing. It's now hours later. So earlier I was discussing that price break this previous level right here, and I wanted to see price come back down on top, back into where the lower low was at, and then continued. So as you can see, the indication happened. What I had in green, go down to the 4 hour to see the correction, and the 1 hour, 4 and 3, right? And don't mind this over here. This is a trade that I was back testing this morning. Not back testing, that I paper traded this morning, forward test this morning, when price break the make a change of character, indicate correct, and then continued. And as you see, if I took this trade on my live account, it would have played out this morning. And then hours later, the trade that I was looking forward to, which is a sell, I entered around here, and then price is now at this level. When I see price start rejecting down here, I actually exited the trade. So this was actually a 1 to 3 risk to reward for me. Yeah. So I hope you guys learned the ICC strategy to see that it's very simple. I don't know, every time you trade, I will come straight down into your last lower low, which is right here. Sometimes we might just tap into a level, tap into this level, and then reject off it. So I hope you guys understand how I traded this ICC setup this morning. And yeah, I'll see you in my next trade right now.